Hello my friends, in this video, today I will show you how to speed up the Google Chrome browser, how to turn on its maximum performance, which will improve the work with active tabs, and the use of RAM will decrease. To increase the performance of the browser, we do the following: launch the Google Chrome browser. Click on the vertical 3 dots in the upper right corner, and click here, Settings. In the Settings section, on the left, click on Performance. Here you need to set this box to on. In this mode, Chrome frees up memory that is allocated for inactive tabs. This is necessary so that more resources are available to active tabs, and the speed of Chrome does not decrease. Inactive tabs become active as soon as you switch to them. For more information you can find out if you click here on the tab, Learn More. Below there is a button, Add, with which you can add your frequently used sites, and after that they will always be active. I click, Add. Open a site I use frequently. Copy the URL. And paste it here. I click, Add. Thanks to this, at launch, this site will now launch almost instantly. Let's look at another important point. Open the tab, Privacy and Security. We click, Cookies and other site data. Go down a little lower. And here we put the checkbox on, like mine. This will also affect the improvement of the speed of the browser, its search and page preloading. I hope what I just said can help you, and if you found it helpful, please share my video with someone. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck.